Hi guys, thanks for purchasing the VEO AI tool. In this video, you'll get a detailed walkthrough with a live demo of the VEO AI tool and its features. After your successful registration, log in with the details you used while registering. After a successful login, you'll see this dashboard. In this dashboard, you'll be able to see many useful and easy accesses to all the features of the tool. At the top, you have quick access to the main features of this AI tool, such as text-to-video, image-to-video, and text-to-image options. Below that, you will be able to check the number of videos created, the number of views received by the videos, and the number of credits remaining in your account for AI generations. Below that, you can check the recent activity happening in your account. Below the Quick Actions option, you have access to create videos, text-to-image, all your created videos, and profile and password change options. Now let's jump into the live demo of each feature in this VEO AI tool. First, let's check the text-to-video option. Just enter the video prompt you need in the prompt section, and the negative prompts will be automatically given for better results. After entering the prompt, choose the resolution of your video, such as 480p or 720p, and choose the aspect ratio you need. After doing all this, just click the Generate Video button to generate the video from the text prompt. After a couple of minutes, the video will be generated. It will be changed from pending to completed status below the video. After successful completion of the video generation, you will be able to view or download your video to your devices. Next, the text-to-image option. In this option, you are able to create an image from the text prompt. Like text-to-video, just enter the desired prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and click the Generate Image button. Within a few seconds, it will generate the image based on the prompt given. You can download the image as well. Now, the image-to-video option. With this, you can generate a video from an image. Just upload an image, then enter the prompt of the video you need from the image. Then choose all the details like video resolution and aspect ratio. After entering all this, click the Generate Video button to generate the video. After a couple of minutes, the video will be generated. And the final tool is called the Video Editor. Yes, this AI tool is loaded with a built-in simple video editor. Just upload the clips in it, and you'll have a variety of editing options like trim, transform, adding effects, adding audio, and adding text to the video. After all the editing processes are done, just simply click the Export Video button at the top to export your edited video to your device. Clicking the Settings option gives you access to edit your profile and manage the security settings of your account. That's the full walkthrough with a live demo of the VEO AI tool. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.